Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you have a great day. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make meatballs in tomato sauce. This recipe guys, it's a bomb, it's a keeper. So let's get right into it guys. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get into the ingredients guys. Into my bowl I have 1 pound of ground beef, chopped onions, red pepper flakes, 1 egg, diced tomatoes, minced garlic, garlic powder, black pepper, fresh parsley, fresh oregano, salt, breadcrumbs, paprika, and basil. Into my ground beef, I'm gonna add paprika. In goes garlic powder, black pepper, breadcrumbs, onion, one egg. We're gonna chop our parsley, add parsley. With my clean hands guys, I'm gonna combine all this together. Just like so. I'm gonna add some salt and continue to mix everything together. Everything looks combined now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the ice cream scoop and portion the ground beef mixture into small round balls. Just like so guys. I have my oven preheated at 375 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna pop these bad boys in for 20 minutes. While my meatballs are baking, I'm gonna start working on the sauce. I have about a tablespoon of olive oil. Into my olive oil, I'm gonna add some onions. I'm gonna cook the onions until they're translucent. Okay, I'm gonna also add garlic. Next, we're gonna add diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. Then I'm going to add black pepper, garlic, red pepper flakes, just a little bit of salt. At this point, I'm gonna stir everything together. Just like so, guys. So I'm gonna let this sauce simmer until our meatballs are ready. Next, we're gonna chop our basil. Next, we're gonna cut oregano. Now I'm gonna add my herbs into the sauce. And mix everything together. Our meatballs are ready now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transfer them into the sauce. Into the tomato sauce. Guys, they smell so good. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this and let it simmer for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. Our meatballs are ready. The sauce has thickened up. Guys, oh, it smells so good. Now I'm gonna serve them into a bowl. There you have it, guys. Meatball in tomato sauce. These well-seasoned meatballs are incredibly tender and delicious, super easy to make, and full of flavor. And the good part of this, the meatballs can be refrigerated overnight in the sauce. Then what you do in the morning is just to warm it up and serve. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Guys, share this recipe with your friends and your family, and please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.